Welcome to Math 101. So today our lesson is all about converting vertex form to standard form.
So before we proceed to our lesson, let's have our quick review. So this is what vertex form looks like. Y is equals to a times x minus h squared plus k, and our standard form is y is equals to ax squared plus b plus c. So here is our first example. We have y equals to 2 times x minus 3 squared plus 4. So first thing to do is we have to simplify the x minus 3. So we cannot simplify it. So we have to multiply it by self. So it has squared, so we have to multiply it by self. So we have x minus 3 times x minus 3. So we will gonna be using FOIL method. So we have x squared, and we have negative 3x, and our last term. So we have positive 9. So we have to add the like terms here, which is negative 3x and negative 3x. So we have x squared minus 6x plus 9. So here is our trinomial for x minus 3 squared. So the next step is we're going to take the place here to the x minus 3 of the trinomial. So we have y is equals to 2 times x squared minus 6x plus 9. And don't forget the positive 4. So next step to do is distribute the a value, which is the 2. So we have 2 times x squared. Y is equals to 2 times x squared, and 2 times negative 6x, so we have negative 12x, and the last term, which is 2 times 9, so we have positive 18, and don't forget the positive 4. So again, we're going to add the like terms or our constant, which is 18 and 4. So our answer is y is equals to 2x squared minus 12x plus 22. So this is our standard form to the vertex form of y equals to 2 times x minus 3 squared plus 4, and we converted it on the standard form, which is y equals to 2x squared minus 12x plus 22. So here is our next example. We have y equals to 1/3 times x minus 2 squared minus 5. So here in our example, it's more difficult to solve because we have a fraction here, so which is the 1/3. So again, we're going to do the same step. We have to multiply the x minus 2 to itself. So we have x minus 2 times x minus 2. Again, we're going to use the FOIL method. So we have x squared, and we have negative 2x. In our outer term, we have negative 2x, and our last term, we have positive 4. So we have to add the like terms, which is negative 2x. So we have to copy x squared and negative 4x plus 4. So this is our trinomial for x minus 2 squared. So we have y equals to 1/3 times x squared minus 4x plus 4. And don't forget the negative 5. So we have to distribute the a value to the trinomial. So we have 1/3 times x squared. We have 1/3 x squared, and we have negative 4/3 x, and we have our last term, which is positive 4/3, and don't forget the negative 5. So again, we have to add the like terms or our constant here, which is the positive 4/3 and negative 5. So our answer is y is equals to 1/3 x squared minus 4/3 x minus 11/3. So this is our standard form to the vertex form y equals to 1/3 times x minus 2 squared minus 5. So if you have questions, where did we get this negative 11/3? So before we have our answer, we have negative 11/3, we have negative 4 positive 4 third minus 5. So we multiply the negative 5 to the denominator, which is the 3. So we have negative 5 times 3, so we have negative 15. And we have to subtract it to the numerator, which is 4. So we have 4 minus 15 equals to 11. Negative 11. So that's why we get the negative 11 over 3. So thank you. I hope you understand our lesson, and thanks for watching.